All right, let's talk about customer tags. So tags are a really powerful feature in coreSTORE, and you can assign customer tags to any customer. If I click on tags, you'll see these are all of the tags that I have set up in the system. I've got various types of tags. To add a new tag, I can just click on Add Tag. And if I wanted to, for example, give a VIP customer tag, I can set a color for that particular tag. If I want to make them, I don't know, maybe I'll make them kind of golden. All right. You'll also notice, I already had one, but I just made another one. You'll also notice that tags are pretty powerful. You can actually, a couple of things, you can actually choose whether or not that tag gets transmitted to coreILLA if you are using coreILLA. You can also specify a workflow associated with that tag. So anytime you tag that particular customer, if you are using coreILLA, you can initiate a workflow, which basically is a journey for that customer. So if you wanted to tag a customer as VIP customer and then send them a really nice correspondence thanking them for being a VIP customer, and perhaps a few days later you want to send them a promotion, 5% off anything they buy in the store, you can set up a promotion and actually send them correspondence on that. So it's really powerful in terms of how you can associate coreILLA workflows with the tags. You can also choose to not sell to this customer either at all locations or some locations if you choose to do that. So those are some of the features of customer tags, which is really powerful. So I can go ahead and hit save. And then at this point, I can go to my customer list and I can assign a tag to any customer. So to do that, I can choose a customer, and I'll just choose this Michael Flynn, and I can just at the top, I can add a tag, right? So if I want to add my VIP customer tag, VIP customer, I can just type in VIP and pull that up, and then that tag gets assigned to that customer. You'll see I've got my again, it's not very gold, but I've got that yellow color on it and it's marked as a VIP customer. It is also marked with this icon showing it's a coreILLA tag because I chose to transmit it to coreILLA. Again, if you're not using coreILLA, that's something we strongly recommend. It's a great platform for all of your marketing needs, all in one: social media management, email campaigns. It lets you create workflows, lets you converse with your customers, lets you build landing pages and pop-ups and all kinds of features. It's a really powerful platform. So again, you don't have to be using coreILLA to use tags, but now you can see any customer that has tags associated with them. If I go back to my customer list, you'll see that I've got my different tags. And again, you can also create smart tags if you are using coreILLA. Smart tags is just again, a really powerful tool. You'll notice I have several smart tags here for SIG lovers and middle-aged female customers. You can open up any of these smart tags. Again, if you're using coreILLA, you can create a smart tag from scratch. And for example, if you wanted to say, okay, my VIP customer, I want to automatically build rules based on certain criteria. So I can say match all or any rule, and I can simply go in and choose from any of these criteria. So I can choose based on demographics of the customer. I can choose based on items they've purchased. I can choose based on sale amounts. So anyone maybe who spent more than $100 with me might make as a VIP customer. So again, you have all of these different choices, and once you click save, it will go and analyze the history of all the purchases, and it will assign those tags to any customer that in this case spent more than $100 with me. And this takes a few minutes, depending how many customers you have. But once it's done, the nice thing is any customer purchasing in the future that spends over $100, probably should have made that a little more money. But any customer that spends more than that amount, and you'll notice I've got 132 VIP customers that got assigned, but any new customer that spends more than $100 automatically gets assigned into this VIP customer, which again can start an entire journey for you. So really powerful. Tags are really powerful. I can go into my customer list and I can segment the customers. And again, segmentation is really important because you may want to advertise to certain customers, certain items based on manufacturers that they purchased before, based on categories of items that they purchased before, or even again, based on their demographics. You may want to advertise a self-defense class for women. And obviously in that case, you would want to make sure that you're only advertising that to the female population that has purchased from you in the past. So again, you can take your customers on different journeys. If you're using tags without coreILLA, it's still very powerful. The nice thing is when I go into a new sale, if I have a customer tagged, and we'll pull up Michael, I think it was Flynn, you'll see that immediately when I pull that customer up, that his tag is showing. So I immediately know that this customer is a VIP customer. And again, maybe I want to greet them a little differently, so they know I recognize them and we appreciate their business. So that gives you some good information in terms of what you can do with tags and how the tags are now showing up right in the sales screen. Thanks so much for watching this video.